Kim, I think we should get another house. We've outgrown this house.
Yeah, you're right. I think we've been living here for what, 5 years?
Well, if we're getting another house, it has to have an office.
If you want an office, then I want a white kitchen.
Well, we gotta make sure that it has at least 4 bedrooms, especially for the kids, you know?
And a large backyard with the Ravine lot would be nice.
A finished basement with a walkout would be really good.
I wonder if a house like that exists.
I wonder.
Where am I?
Where am I? Someone else here?
Janae?
Kim?
Janae?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
This is my dream.
This is my dream.
No, this is so weird.
But wait, this is the kitchen I wanted.
I wonder how many bedrooms this has.
1, 2.
3, 4. Kim, this one has an ensuite.
This one does too. This is nice.
I wonder what's downstairs. There's my office.
Whoa, a finished basement.
Is that Ravine in the back?
Looks like it.
Kim, that was a crazy dream from last night.
Yeah, but wasn't the house so perfect?
Man, it was. It had everything that we needed. Wait, isn't this the house?
Look, it's for sale.
Let's check it out.